Looks like someone is getting married today.
Uzo, my love. How are you?
Very. Where have you been?
I should be the one asking you that question. I told you I would come on a day you least expected. A day like this. Anyway, I forgive you for ignoring me when I was pregnant with our child. What is going on here?
Our child?
Yes, your child. Junior, this is your father. I greet you, my queen.
You have not answered my question. Tell me what I want to hear. What's going on?
Well, my queen, I brought home a royal blood. It would be very wrong of me to keep a royal blood, so I brought him home. He's my son. And your prince here, Uzo, is his father.
My goodness. He looks like my husband. Why don't we go inside?
Thank you, my queen.
Come, son.
I'll be inside.
Hey fam.
You know where you are?
I'm sure you know where you are.
This is Nollywood Pictures too.
Right here. You're watching Nollywood Pictures right here on YouTube
for the best of African content
and drama.
Nollywood Pictures TV. Nollywood Pictures TV.
My name is Frederick Leonard and I'm wishing you a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. God bless you. I love you all.